I contest coordinator rather, yours truly, Mrs. Jovita Severana of Garcia Hernandez Central Elementary School. We also have our coordinators in the host district. We have Ma'am Olive Joyce Galero and Ma'am Wilmeline Baltasas. Our tabulators, we have Ma'am Virgilia Bumaya and Ma'am Virgilia Lofranco. Okay, and allow me to introduce our prestigious board of judges. First, we have judge number 1 is a special education teacher of Talibon Central Elementary School, teaching learners with hearing impaired for 14 years. Let's welcome judge number 1, Ma'am Elvie L. Mosqueda. Judge number 2 is a special education teacher 1 of Sabbayan Central Elementary School, Sabbayan, Bohol. SNED Advocate, Coordinator, Regional and Division Filipino Sign Language Trainer, currently pursuing advanced level training in the Philippines. Let's welcome Judge number 2, Ma'am Amberly Deraco. Okay. We have our judge number 3. Is a special education teacher 1 of Hagna Central Elementary School, ILRC, 30 years in service, teaching learners with difficulty in hearing, grade 6. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number 3, Maria Leonora L. Hindo. We have our judge number 4, the chairman of the Board of Judges, is a special education teacher of Loon South Central Elementary School, teaching for 36 years. She took her SNED Masteral at Cebu Normal University. Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the Board of Judges, Ma'am Julieta S. Nahian. Okay, so of course we have our coaches and our 4 contestants. Okay, so at this point of time, let's proceed to the reading of mechanics and criteria. This will be done.
Ato sa silang i-introduce contestant sa kanang coach and coach. Sige, go.
Okay, so allow me to introduce the contestants. Let's start from the contestant, coach.
Coach and the contestant.
The coach and the contestant from Talibon Central Elementary School. Please stand. Okay. Okay. Next, we have our coach and the contestant from Sabbayan Central Elementary School. Okay, thank you. And then our coach and the contestant from Loon South Central Elementary School. Okay, thank you. And the last but not the least, the coach and the contestant from Hagna Central Elementary School, ILRC rather. Okay, thank you. So let's proceed to the reading of the mechanics and the criteria. This will be done by our contest administrator. Before that, let's proceed to give us an inspirational message before we'll start our activity. Let's welcome our Education Program Supervisor in Kindergarten and SNED, Dr. Evelyn Cudilla.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Yvette, our host, and at the same time, our contest coordinator for our activity, the SNED Olympics. Welcome everyone to our contest today. It's SNED, Special Needs Education Olympics. Olympics means Ability Olympic. So it is an Olympic of the abilities of our learners belonging to SNED. I am very much thankful to God for giving us good health that enable us to come to our venue today. And that's great, right? And then, I am thankful also to God for giving me in this contest, the right people are here. Just yesterday, we had solidarity meeting, and I found out that the venue, the host, were very much ready with our activity. So let's give them a round of applause. Ma'am Joyce, si Ma'am Bagbasos, and we have another one. Nana si Ma'am. Nana si Ma'am. Yes, nabot na si Ma'am. For all you know, even though we are so much busy with our work in our respective classrooms, in our schools, but then we give premium to the performances of our learners, in which ato makita how we teach and how we deliver our curriculum in our respective classroom to the learners. So atong kita karon of how far they learn about story, kay nakahibaw og sa to apat sa regular na class, it's actually reading comprehension. Reading comprehension siya, diba? Reading interpretation, story interpretation. So I am giving message to everyone to just enjoy the contest, and let's pray to God that everything will serve according to the purpose. Ang atong purpose kay mo choose mantawan to represent to the regional level. So hopefully, kung kinsay mo daw, ato tanan, di ba? Ato kini. For the judges, di ba nato malimod na one of you has its contestant, but we suggest and really direct you to inhibit if the contestant is yours. So wala nga, okay naman ang upat, kaya mahimo namang tulong, ini-judge o niya kung naalang natin mga contestant. So to all of us here, I will thank you in advance for your time allotted for our training, for our contest. And for the learners, I am yet 3 years in SNED, and I am practicing more on the Filipino Sign Language, because before we were in American Sign Language, the ASL, and this time we are now in the Filipino Sign Language, meaning atong hinay-hinayan o shift ang atong uban na mga sign language nga belonging to American Sign Language. Anyway, murag di ba ma'am, di man pud kayo layo, no? Layo. Just like good morning, na pwede naman tamo good morning, good afternoon, good evening, o evening magamay na lang. Afternoon, evening, o ingan anak. And we, the teachers, also are still learning. We are learning too. We are learning from you, and we are learning from each other. Let's enjoy the day. To God be all the glory.
Thank you, Ma'am Belen. And now,
let's proceed to the reading of mechanics and criteria, which will be done by our event administrator, Ma'am Maria Luisa Tulo. Thank you, Ma'am. Good morning once again. I'd like also to welcome our colleague,
Yes,
the PSBS of Loon Central, Loon South District.
Ma'am Maricel Mero.
And also the parents of our contestants, naman siguro. Yes, o ang mga fans sa contestants. Okay, our contest this morning is, ibasigdain na nasa our contest is on Key Stage 2, which is grade 4 to grade 6, and the event title is Story Interpretation in Filipino Sign Language. Mechanics. The contest is open for grades 4 to 6 deaf learners who are officially enrolled in the public schools. Each region, or there is at level, each congressional district level, because we are
HILRC.
but we don't have the congressional district eliminations. That's why we consider direct sonata. So each ILRC shall have one participant, a deaf Key Stage 2 for Filipino Sign Language. The participant with the highest score, and of course, hindi applicable na to. The National Technical Working Group shall provide the published story to be interpreted. In fact, I'd like to ask one of Ma'am Berelia, paliw ko ng Grace ato ang sealed storybook, sealed and signed by our Technical Working Group. Walay lain na kay bawa na ang Technical Working Group, right? The story should be aligned with the 2025 National Festival of Talents theme and must not have more than 400 words. This shall be given to the contestant during the actual event. Order of performance shall be identified through drawing of lots. So after this reading of mechanics, let us expect that there will be a drawing of lots. An orientation of the guidelines, process, flow, and house rules shall be conducted before the contest proper. During the contest proper, each contestant is given 15 minutes to read, understand, and interpret the story. This includes the following within the 15 minutes: scanning, skimming, familiarizing, and interpreting the content of the story piece. The contestant shall not introduce herself or himself. The contestant shall interpret the story through FSL. The storybook shall be placed on the book stand and shall be flipped by the contestant as he or she progresses. He or she shall give signal by raising the green flag to the TWG and judges if he or she is ready to interpret the story. The story shall also be projected in a wide screen at the side of the contestant for the judges and the audience to read. The following awards shall be given for story interpretation in Filipino Sign Language. For exceptional, the range score starts from 76 to 100%. For proficient, scores range from 51 to 75%. Developing, scores range from 26 to 50%. And a certificate of participation will be given. The top 3 contestants with the highest scores shall receive the 3 different categories, which is developing, exceptional, developing up to exceptional, shall receive the certificate of recognition. Now, in case of tie, the judges shall limited
Mga banggiitang coaches.
Banggiitang
Banggiitang coach.
Okay.
Labanan.
Sige.
Ini gumas mga bata ang coach na po yata kay contest.
Ay, sa makayo tanaw. Di ay.
Ala aron
Okay, please.
aron pabuinas ag coach mo
Please,
patawron.
that number 1.
Patawron number sa ilang bata.
Ada pa ma'am, number 1. Ma'am, kindly take note ko na palihog, ma'am.
Number 1.
Number 1, ana ng number. The number 4.
Ikaw ibutan. Sa
Ay,
bata.
butang na lang sa contestant ang number.
Itaod sa coach. Patindo ka. Anas lower right.
Lower.
Unsa na ka sa kampo.
Lower right. Ali siguro sa yung block.
Sige.
Ubos
Tama
sa
ka
yung
sila.
block.
Okay.
Ubos.
Lower right.
Ana.
Murag pinning of ribbons. Murag graduate. Ipabili na ang wana.
Okay, we are so thrilled to witness your talent.
So may exit na sila. Ato na mo holding area.
Okay, good luck to all contestants. And you can now stay at the holding area. Yan, magpabili na lang ang contestant number 1. Kinsay mo timer, ma'am? Mali